Guys, there are Lambert cake designs and there is Fimi's Lambert cake style. Or how do you explain a three-tiered monotone in pink shades of Lambert cake style? I just decided to think outside the box because the client gave me a free hand as to making something very different, vintage and classy for his wife on her 40th birthday. Now I just thought of it that, oh well, a heart-shaped cake is going to be nice, and if you're talking a heart-shaped cake, the first design that comes to mind is a popular Lambert cake style. So I went ahead to make this because he wasn't even going to talk about what I was going to do. He just trusted me totally. I actually love clients that give me this free hand because they give me the chance to explore my thinking cap, to be able to think up ideas that I possibly didn't even know could exist. Have you seen a three-tiered Lambert cake style before? There you have it. Phoebe's has brought it out. So you guys can remake this anyhow you feel like you want to remake it. And there's just something so relaxing about when you just keep on piping in different styles, using different tips and techniques just to make sure that you're getting a common result. And the fact that it always comes with that shimmer and glittery feel is another icing on the cake. Now guys, take a look at this beautiful work of art. Are you going to remake this?